Okay, I think I'm live. Let me just check. Do the admin tasks and we can go back to streaming. Okay, where we are here. Go tweet. Join us now. Something. Join us. Okay, stream. Stream is live, or I don't know what to say. What to call this? I guess just join the stream. Okay, let's see. Okay, this thing is the worst. The Twitter UI, I guess you can call it. Okay, studio. Okay, sorry about that. uh, Extremely sorry. I was on mute and I wasn't able to. I guess you guys are not. Give me a second. Yeah. What? What's up? What's up here? Okay. Remove this. Open handler. Now we do want to index these two. So all rest of these we can just ignore or remove for now. Let's remove all of these. Oh, okay. We at least need this one. And now we can remove rest. No need for this. Now, what I want to check is this thing. Okay, now we have these two. Yes, these two we need to figure out how we can track track them. So we have okay. I guess I'm. I don't think we can track them correctly because there is a possibility of collision here. Collision, yes, collision here where we can get like same ID twice. So let's see. Is there any other way to go about this? Open file, go back, repo, base, source, bridge. Okay. Now we can do like finalize transfer. Decode message data transfer cross chain. We need to open another file. Okay, we are going to open new file, right? New file, which is library and token lib. We want to figure this out. Are they using two anywhere? Yeah, they are doing that. Okay, I am little bit confused. Where transfer.to is getting the transfer, right? From here, you see transfer and the address and transfer and the address. What I'm confused about is the to address. So transfer, okay, decode message, this. Okay, I guess they are tracking the transfers like in bulk. They're not tracking individual transfers. because tracking individual transfers could create an issue, or it will create an issue. Lib clone deploy deterministic beacon proxy. Then message.sender is twin address. Okay, twins message.sender equal to this. It's setting that up, and then it's executing. Okay, so then twin address is here. Message dot send twin message dot sender this will decode this and execute call, the memory transfer call ABI decode. For this, should we go and check, like, let's check Dune base Solana bridge, Base-Solana bridge December 6th. It should show us something. Net inflows, net outflows. Okay, outflows, inflows, and net inflow. Amount in USD. Okay, we bridged Sol token distribution via base. Bridged Sol token distribution. So balance Sol bridged via Solana. Then B Sol token distribution on base. Okay, understood. So this is this is a Solana that is bridged to base, and that's the distribution here. This is just how much Sol is bridged every day. We can definitely do this. Uh, I don't think that there will be an issue. Net outflows we can calculate. I just want to see how to do like net inflows. That's the thing I'm having issue with. Can we see? Here, finalizes token transfer, tra address of token factory. Okay, what is this ETH address? I just want to check. Sudo app address representing native ETH operation. Okay. Case bridging native ETH to Solana, else prevent sending ETH to bridge when bridging ERC20. Okay. Native ERC20 to Solana. Yeah, scalar. I know what events are important. I just don't know how what value they represent. So that's the only question right now, which is giving me some issue. Let me check. So here we have factory, then bridging native Sol or SLB token to EVM, bridging back ERC20 token to EVM. Oh, okay. So that shows both. Should we just like run the indexer and see the data? What is there? And based on that, we can just understand what's happening. Scalar. Okay, I do want to check this. Token struct mapping, pub key local remote token, scalar's local token, and there is remote token. And okay, we should read this. Storage layout used by this library, ERC 7201 Coinbase storage lib. Okay, so that's the location. Deposit mapping that stores deposit balances for token pairs between Base and Solana. Scalars mapping that sto- Scalar mapping that stores the scalars to use to scale Solana to base amount. Only used when bridging native token or ERC20 to or back from Solana. Okay, so I did understand this. Finalizes fine sorry finalize transfer finalized is the event that we need to track, and we just need to see the data to understand what it shows us. So let me go here, base scan blocks, and we need to go like I don't know, 200 pages block, uh, 200 pages back. Okay, no, not two, like let's go 2000. Yeah, that should work. Let's copy this, go here, open config, and I want to comment these out and say start block is this. Let's do pnpm dev. Okay, pnpm dev and it should start indexing these events, these two. Okay, there isn't a lot, so let's see. Base Sol bridge transfers limit. Okay, there is no need for limit. Ledger to ID. Okay, no, not ID. Finalized. Remove this. ID to amount, local token and remote token. Where is, okay, remove this, and this works. Okay, let me check config, and can we see, no, I was thinking like we can just check whatever is in the this struct, you see. We can track, but I don't know which is which. So we have multiple transfers, right? So this is one, this is one, this is one. We don't know which is incoming and we don't know which is outgoing. How they are doing it here? I know we can see the query when what address is this? Do we have that in here? Okay, we do have this address a lot of time. Let me see. I There are two people watching now. One is me, and I think other is Veritam, who is joining us every day. So thanks for joining. Anyway, this is base. Okay. Sorry, this is Solana. So yeah, Sol token, Solana migrated from base. Okay, they're just tracking Solana. So I guess that's good. Let me check. So from to contract address, from to, okay. I think I understand. So what's happening is this is a contract. No, this is not a contract. Is there any restrictions here? Cross chain ERC20. So it's just calculating mints and burns. And I guess it's assuming the mints and burns. Okay, bridge, remote token, right as a proxy, transfer, approve. Okay, I just want to see function for burn and mint. Mint external bridge only. Okay. Underscore bridge and bridge address we already know. Okay, we need to change the idea. So mints and burns can happen only from this. What do you call this? Give me a second. Give me a second. Let me think about this. Yeah, mints and burns are only allowed from the bridge, and we can track events emitted from these cross-chain ERC20s where mints and burns are happening, and we can assume that those tokens are minted and like uh, what do you call minted and burned or bridged in or bridged out. That's the idea. I want to see what happens. Okay, this is here. Uh, let's take this. What token is this? Home. Okay, it's something. ERC20. Okay, where does this show us the locking mechanism? Because we need to see. I want to see how the locking part works. Locking mechanism works. Base Solana bridge docs documentation lock. Okay, unlock and burn. Oh no, burn soul lock tokens that are native on Solana. Tokens that are native on base are locked, and tokens that are native are burned. Okay, yeah, I do know that, but I don't know where are the locks. Like how not locks. Where are the contracts that lock those tokens? That's what I want to understand. Lock soul SPL burn wrap tokens on Solana. Wait for mm, I guess we can recreate this particular chart, which shouldn't be an issue because they're just tracking a single mint and burn. Yeah, we don't know other tokens, and these are just like holders with some holders have name. So that's that. Bridge token transaction Solana to base. These are the tokens. This is the transaction hash. Okay, I'm getting stuck here. Like, I don't. Let's do. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, none of them have any USD value, or in this particular graph, they might have values on the market, but it's not tracked here. Okay. Sorry about that. We can definitely track the ERC factory. Let's see, like, deployments. Yeah, if you go here, we can track the factory. There is no issue, and we can track all the events that are. We can track all the events that are here, that are creating the new tokens, and track mints and burns of those tokens. Yes, that's what we'll do. Let's open this. Let me open. No, I want to see the events. In the events, it does say like deploy base token, 6 hour, 12 hours. Then we get local token, remote token, and deployer. I think, I don't know why. And what we can do, I was thinking of using wildcard filtering, but factory plus wildcard won't work. So what we should do is, we should do factory pattern here, track all the created tokens, then do the, like, factory contract pattern, which, sorry, then do the factory contract pattern which tracks mints and burns of those tokens, and then we are gonna assume all the mints are tokens coming in and all the burns are token going out. Yes, that's the correct assumption. Let's do this. Change this to cross chain ERC20 factory event. Now remove this. This is not useful. We need to do this. Then we'll do address. Is it address indexed? Local token address. Okay, bytes indexed. Remote token and then just address deployer. Remove rest. Remove this. Do pnpm code gen. Copy this. We have to change almost everything. So then go to schema, remove everything. Cross chain ERC20 factory. Token deployed. Okay. There is no issue with that. ID, then remote. Okay. Local token string, remote token string, and deploy string. That works. Let's go here. Import that. Cross chain. Okay. No. Cross chain token created, token deployed. Cross chain dot cross chain created handler async event okay. I should have given some thought to this because it's automatically created, right? So I don't remember this syntax every time. Yeah. Handler async. Okay, that works. Then we'll do, what should we do? Const token details equal to context dot token dot get or create. No, there is no need for that. We'll just do like context dot dot set ID will be e- event dot block dot number, then log index. Next, why are we getting this? Oh, yeah. remove this wrong. Yeah, now you can see we are getting correct IntelliSense local token remote token remote. Remove this. I don't want this part. I also don't want that. This is one, and then we'll do cross chain dot contract register. I have to I have to check the documentation. I don't remember how factory contracts work, or I don't remember the syntax. I do know how they work. Contract name, event name. Okay, event context. Go here, do context dot add. Oh no, we also need the other the other contract. Let's do name cross chain ERC20 address. No, there is no need for address. Handler source.ts events will be meant burn. Let's open this hash. Go to logs created local token, and I want to see, yeah, this part meant. Okay, no, we want. Yes, there is event called mint. Let's copy this. That's this is a great news for us, because if this was not there, we would have we had sorry the if these events were not there, we had to do some kind of like bootstrapping to get the data we want, which is very hard. So just keep that in mind. Okay, this works. Now we can do context dot add. No, add this, and we'll do event dot params dot local token. This should be fine. Now we want cross chain ERC20 dot burn. Okay, burn dot handler Okay, that's good. What what should we do? Okay, we do have 14 minutes, 14 more minutes. Give me a second. Okay, now we need to figure out how we will do, how we'll track the bridge token bridging. So my assumption is we can do aggregate for a token per day. We can so bridge transfer snapshots, snapshot. Here we'll do ID token string, then mints, begin and burns. That's the idea. Also, when they deploy this, it happens here. I know it happens here. What details they give? Decode input, verification data. I don't know whether, what things are in that verification data, or can we base token deployed, base token remote contract Solana verifier. So does this, there are two tokens deployed, and I don't know which is which, or why this event is emitted. We might have to go and check. Let's see why this event was emitted. Update mapping deploys a base token corresponding to Solana token when authorized by a trusted signer. So deploy a base token corresponding to a Solana token. Okay. So it's getting called from Solana to here, and in here we are deploying it. Remote token name, verify signature name, verify signature. Okay, are there any I do want to check, are there any events where there is no remote token when token is deployed? I don't think that's really needed. Solana verifier, okay, useless. Okay, this should be fine. And what I want to do here is, let's do like @index, and should we do timestamp integer, and here we'll do what is this, address dash timestamp, and this will be 12 a.m. UTC of the day. That will be the timestamp. Okay, let's do let's do that here. We can do const snapshot equal to context, okay, context dot bridge transfer snapshot dot get or create id. I want a function to get timestamp of 12 a.m. UTC. So chat.com, give me TypeScript function that gives me 12 a.m. UTC timestamp of that day. Okay, that function will take Unix timestamp. Also, I think Unix timestamp is in milliseconds, hopefully, or is it in seconds? That's the question. Let's see. Okay, let's stop this. Comment this out. Update this with timestamp integer. Go here. Do timestamp event.block timestamp. Run it again. There won't be that many. Okay, I guess this query is old query. Cross chain ERC 20 token created. No. Remote token, and we want deployer timestamp. Unix timestamp, convert. Is this in seconds or okay? Our timestamp is in seconds. It's not in milliseconds. So we need to copy this. Also, stop this part. Go here. Now we can do is event dot source address dash get UTC timestamp from Unix and block dot timestamp. Okay, that's good. Next we need to do, why am I getting token event dot source address mints is and burns. Is there anything else? Mints burn timestamp. Okay, there is a timestamp again. Okay, this is good. Now we need to do const no context dot snapshot dot set spread the snapshot and do burns equal to amount. Why we are getting an error? Okay, same here. But only thing here is we are going to change this to mints and amount. Okay, this should be fine. Let me run it. I'm not sure if everything will work, so let's see. Okay, there was at least something. Last time there were 2 events, this time there are 4. So that's a good thing. We can do query token bridging snapshots, then what's this called, transfer snapshots. We'll do id token timestamp mints burns. Okay, there are no burns, but our logic is correct and we can see what's happening. So this is great. Okay, I guess that's it for today. We have successfully written the logic, understood what's happening on base regarding bridging the SLP tokens, SPL tokens, and ERC20 tokens. I don't know. I don't know about ERC20 tokens, so don't quote me on that. Tomorrow we'll do the visualization and see what's happening. But yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying the stream. If you are not enjoying the stream, let me know what I can improve or what else you want to see. What else? Yeah, don't forget to go follow NVO at nvo.dev and me on Twitter, x.com/. Nick Bintade, which is NIKBHINTADE, Nick Bintade. And yeah, that's about it. See you guys tomorrow. We are going to build a dashboard, so just keep that in mind. And have a nice day. See ya. Bye.